Hi, everybody. Welcome to lesson 6.3. We are going to start with a little conceptual understanding of what we are going to be doing for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to be focusing on solving systems of equations using elimination. You'll also hear people call this the combination method. You'll hear me talk about this multiple times in our other videos, most likely. So just be highly aware. Solving systems by elimination, or you might hear solving systems by combination. Same concepts, and we're getting really interesting light going on because of the backlighting of my living room. Either way, solving systems by elimination. This is the taco truck problem from a book that we have in the classroom. It's called CMP3. It's in the system. This is, I think, investigation 2.2 in that. So like it starts out with a really great problem that I really, really like. Now, say you are going out to eat with a buddy because it's no longer a pandemic and you can eat with friends and you can hang out with people. At the same time, you're still being cautious because maybe we all just got vaccinated. Who knows? All right, so we're all being cautious. You are hanging out with a friend, you're going to a taco truck, so you're going to an outdoor place. And you and your friend order some tacos and drinks to take with you and eat and enjoy for the rest of the day. You apparently really like tacos, and he does too. She does, I don't know, whoever it is. You guys really like your tacos and drinks, and so therefore you ordered a lot of them. If we look at this situation, we'll say this is you. So this is you. Your order is this one here. You order 6 tacos and 2 drinks, and it costs you a total of $9 over here. Your buddy, we'll call this buddy. Your buddy is a little less hungry than you are, and that's okay. Maybe they had a big breakfast. They have 4 tacos and 2 drinks, and it costs them $7. Our job is to figure out how much tacos and drinks cost. Perhaps this taco truck is just like brand new on a spot. They don't have a billboard out saying what everything costs and that sort of thing. So you just have to figure it out. So what does a taco cost? What does a drink cost? That is your job. If you look at a problem like this, you need to figure out how you can sort of figure this stuff out by looking at these different things and sort of comparing them. And that's what the elimination method is all about, sort of comparing 2 equations and seeing how you can potentially eliminate a variable. If we look at this scenario, the difference happens in 2 key places. If I look at these 2 key places, maybe you're already shouting them at me, I don't know. If I look at these 2 key places, I have 6 tacos versus 4 tacos, so there's 1 key place. There are 2 more tacos. I'll just circle 2 tacos. There are 2 more tacos that you have ordered versus your buddy. You guys order the same amount of drinks. You guys are both apparently very thirsty, which is fine. And then our second place that there is a difference is the amount of money that you're spending. If we look at the amount of money you spent $9 versus your friend spent $7. So the difference there is $2. So what we can say is the difference in the amount of food that you have versus the amount of money you have, 2 tacos versus $2. That means how much is a taco? Hopefully you're screaming it, $1. Yay. So we just figured out that these 2 tacos cost $2. So each taco represents $1. So that means all of these tacos are $1. So now what we can do is we've essentially eliminated part of this problem. We didn't even have to look at drinks because you guys had the same amount in drinks. Essentially, if we were to look at these and look at the differences, which means what? Subtraction, right? If we look at the differences between these 2 equations, the differences didn't happen in the drinks, it happened in the tacos and the money. So we could look at the difference. We had 2 tacos is equal to $2. So essentially we're able to say 1 taco equaled $1. Cool. So now what we can do is we can put this amount of money into either one of these 2 scenarios, and we should be able to figure out how much drinks cost. Because there's less room on your side of things, let's look at your buddies. Your buddy's spending $1 for each of these 4 tacos. So that buddy spent $4. He or she spent a total of $7 total. So that means the drinks cost the other $3. So that means each drink is, shout it out, yes, $1.50. Now, let's put this scenario and like actually show the numbers that go along with this conceptual understanding that we hopefully just saw. Essentially, this is what is happening. If we're just to look at the numbers, we are essentially looking at this. You had 6 tacos. We don't know how much tacos cost. So we have 6 times the cost of the tacos plus 2 times the cost of the drinks is equal to $9. And your buddy had 4 tacos plus 2 drinks, and that cost them $7. So the combination method, the elimination method, essentially looks at us saying, like, if we added these 2 equations or subtracted these 2 equations, what ends up being the difference or what ends up being left over from this situation. So if we were to add these 2 things together, we'd end up with 10 tacos, 4 drinks, and $16, which wouldn't help us at all. However, if we subtracted these and found the differences between them, 6 tacos plus 4 tacos, or 6 tacos minus 4 tacos, we see the 2 tacos left over. We know the drinks, they cancel each other out. We don't even have to pay attention to them. We just have 0 drinks that we have, like, we're dealing with. And 9 times 7, we have that $2. So we know 2 tacos is equal to $2, or tacos equals $1. So we just created a system of equations given this taco problem. And by subtracting these 2 equations, by combining them through subtraction, we were able to eliminate drinks and actually look at just the differences in the tacos and the money. Once we know what one of these variables is, we can just plug this value into one of these 2 equations and solve for the amount the drinks cost. So we could either say 6 times 1 plus 2d equals 9. So we get 6 plus 2d equals 9, or 2d equals 3, drinks equals $1.50. So we can see it from your aspect of it, or we can look at it from your friends, which we tried on the last problem to do, or which we did before at the beginning of this whole thing. So 4 times 1 plus 2d is equal to 7. So we get 2d is equal to 3, or d is equal to, again, $1. Oops, sorry. Whoa, what did I do wrong? Oh yeah, $1.50. That's right. I'm solving these both for the same thing. I'm like, I was just freaking myself out there for a second. All right, so either way, we can put this value into either one of these equations and we'll get the exact same amount for the drinks. Regardless, this is the basis of what the next 3 videos are about. And this is a very basic problem, sort of like just a standard problem that is really straightforward that we're going to be doing. However, you're going to start seeing in the next 3 videos much more complex problems. So the next video is all about the procedure of what we just did. And then the 2 videos after that are going to be upping the ante every single time. The last video being upping the ante substantially. Okay, so feel free to watch the other videos, at least watch the second video, or like video number 2. And then, so you get the basic understanding, and then start working on the mandatory practice problems whenever you're ready. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.